So Donald Trump suffered a devastating legal blow on Monday when the judge that's currently overseeing the case involving the investigation by New York Attorney General Letitia James, the judge ruled in favor of James to hold Donald Trump in contempt for, of course, his refusal to comply with the subpoena that had been issued against him to turn over documents, turn over materials, turn over whatever it is they're asking for. According to this contempt filing, Trump simply didn't do it. But I will say Donald Trump's lawyer, Alina Habba, insists up and down that Trump totally complied with everything. Don't understand this contempt charge, and, they say they're going to appeal it. But here's what Ms. Habba had to say. We respectfully disagree with the court's decision today. All documents, as I explained, responsive to the subpoena, were already produced to the Attorney General months ago. We are being... Oh, I'm sorry, that's a different quote. President Trump does not email, he does not text message, and he has no work computer at home or anywhere else. I took it upon myself to get on a plane, flew down, asked him one by one if there was anything that he had on his person that he had not given me. I would need that. And he did not. Wow. You got on a plane and you actually went to go see your client to talk to him face to face. Wow. Talk about good lawyering. Why the hell didn't you do that a long time ago? Here's the thing. After she goes in this diatribe and says, I did everything I could have, he's turned over everything, he's an honest person, even though y'all don't want to believe it. Then the judge asked a very simple question. Hey, okay, if that's the case, why didn't he sign the affidavit saying that he turned everything over? I mean, it's a simple question, right? If he turned everything over, sign the document. He personally has to sign the document, swearing under penalty of perjury that he's turned everything over. But he wouldn't do it, would he? No, he didn't. And that actually is one of the biggest reasons the judge moved forward with the contempt charge that later today, actually, they're going to be setting the start date for the $10,000 per day fine that he will now be incurring for not complying. But I think that not signing that affidavit is really what did it in. Now, I had discussed about a week or so ago that Habba and other Donald Trump lawyers insisted up and down that, hey, he can't turn over what's being asked because he doesn't have it. He's turned over everything that he has in his possession that has been requested. The rest of it, they said, that's with the Trump organization. The what organization? Oh, the Trump organization. But your client, Donald Trump, of the Trump organization, doesn't have access to those documents? Yeah. I said then that legal argument wasn't going to fly, and apparently it didn't. But again, if he'd have signed the affidavit, maybe he wouldn't be held in contempt. Or if he had signed the affidavit, maybe he'd be on trial for perjury in the near future, right? Because clearly, had he turned everything over, he would have signed it. Because that would have cleared up the whole contempt thing. And that's basically all the judge is asking for, like, clear up the contempt. All this goes away. We'll see what happens. We'll see how much money Donald Trump has to pay. Or we'll see if later today, maybe suddenly those documents materialize, from that organization that Trump runs, but Habba swears he can't get the documents from. So yeah, really interesting case here. And so far, it's not going well at all for Donald Trump. Hey everyone. This is Aspen. And did you know that for the low cost of $0 per day, you can subscribe to the Fair and Balanced YouTube channel? We also encourage you to like, comment, and share. But again, click that subscribe button and help Aspen not be so grumpy.